Looking for a financial advisor near you who can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the right financial advisor in your area, what to look for, and how to ensure they're a good fit for your needs. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident about taking the next step toward financial success. So let's get started. Step 1. Why choose a local financial advisor? Working with a financial advisor near you has its advantages. Local advisors understand the financial landscape and cost of living in your area. Plus, meeting face-to-face builds trust and makes it easier to discuss your goals. Whether you're planning for retirement, buying a home, or starting an investment portfolio, it's all about that personal connection and tailored advice. Step 2. How to search for financial advisors near you. To start your search, use tools like Google, Yelp, or financial advisor directories such as SmartAsset or NAPFA. Simply type financial advisors near me into the search bar, and you'll find a list of options. Don't forget to check reviews and ratings to get a sense of their reputation in your community. Step 3. Narrow down your options. Once you've got a list of local advisors, narrow it down by checking their qualifications. Look for certifications like CFP Certified Financial Planner or CFA Chartered Financial Analyst. Make sure they have experience in areas that match your goals, whether it's debt management, investment planning, or tax strategies. Step 4. Schedule a consultation. Before committing, schedule an initial consultation. This is your chance to ask questions such as, what are your specialties? How do you charge for your services? Flat fee, hourly, or commission-based? How will you create a financial plan tailored to my needs? Their answers will give you insight into whether they're the right fit. Step 5. Make your decision. Finally, choose the advisor who best aligns with your goals and values. Remember, this is a long-term partnership, so trust and communication are key. Once you've decided, you're one step closer to achieving your financial dreams. Finding the perfect financial advisor near you doesn't have to be overwhelming. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to making smart money decisions with professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.